Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm going to be creating some earrings using this Snickers wrapper. You guys, this is my favorite candy bar, like my favorite. So, you know, I uploaded some videos of some crafts using candy wrappers, which gave me the idea. So right now, what I'm going to do is try to figure out what size do I want to of these do I want to try to use. So I'm really not, these are 3 inches and I think these are maybe 1.5, I think. So I'm gonna figure this out and then I'll be back. Alright you guys, I am all done. This is how they turned out. I love them. These are one of a kind, very unique, and I didn't have to put no gloss or glaze because you know the wrapper is already like pretty shiny. And I used this is the color my husband picked out. I think if I were to do it again, I might go with red just to, you know, bring that red out some more, maybe even the dark brown, I don't know. But these are cute, love them. And I was thinking about like putting some Hot Fix rhinestones around it, but I'm not sure how it would act on this plastic. You know, being that it's plastic, it might melt it. So I left that alone. But you guys know I did want to bling these things out. But you guys, I love them. Love how they turned out. So you guys get creative with this. You know, recycle your wrappers, your candy wrappers, or if you have kids, you know, any type of wrappers, the little surprise packs, all of that. You know, use that in your jewelry. Get creative. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. Oh, I did not end up using, these are the 1.5. As you can see, it's a lot small. I did not use 1.5. I ended up going with 2-inch wood circles and 1-inch wood circles up here. And I used my 1-inch hole punch with some glitter cardstock that I had. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!